In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in a GoHighLevel order form. We'll walk through this step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to add, customize, and save a checkbox inside your existing form. This is perfect if you want to collect things like terms and conditions, consent, marketing opt-ins, or any other kind of acknowledgement from your customers. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area where you can access all the key tools for your account. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where your form is stored, so you don't accidentally edit the wrong one. From the Launchpad, look for the section labeled Sites and click on it. This is where GoHighLevel groups everything related to your web presence, like funnels, websites, and forms. Once you're inside Sites, find and click on Forms. This will open up a list of all the forms you've created in that particular location. Now, choose the specific form where you want to add a checkbox. This might be an order form you're already using on a funnel or website. Click on that form to open it in the form builder. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see a preview of the form in the main area, with your form elements typically listed on the side. Next, scroll through your form elements panel until you find the section called Choice Elements. In that section, look for the checkbox option. Click and drag the checkbox onto your form and drop it where you want it to appear. You can place it near the bottom for terms and conditions or right next to other relevant fields, depending on your use case. With the checkbox selected, go to the Content tab. Here you can edit the label text, so write something clear like, "I agree to the terms and conditions." You can also adjust the alignment and field width to match the layout of your form and keep everything looking consistent. Then switch over to the Options tab. This is where you fine-tune the style of the fields, the number of checkbox options, and the text for each one. Take your time here to make sure everything is easy to read and matches your brand style. Once you're happy with how your checkbox looks and behaves, don't forget the final step. Click on Save. This will apply all your changes to the form so it's ready to use on your live order page.